Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Obby Builder. First, understand what an Obby Builder does within the game platform. Next, identify the specific game or group that offers this role. It's crucial to check for any prerequisites or specific application requirements before you proceed. This initial research saves time and ensures you meet the basic criteria. Once you've identified the opportunity, the next step is the application process. Find the official application form or submission portal, usually linked within the group's page. Carefully fill out all required fields, ensuring accuracy. Be sure to detail your building experience and highlight any relevant skills that make you a strong candidate for the Obby Builder role. To stand out, you'll need to showcase your building abilities. Compile a portfolio featuring your best Obby creations, demonstrating your creativity and technical skills. Include examples that show diverse difficulty levels and unique mechanics. Be prepared for a potential building test, where you might be asked to create something specific on the spot to prove your proficiency. After submitting your application, anticipate a review period. This can sometimes take several days. Stay patient and be prepared for a possible interview or an additional assessment to further evaluate your fit. If you are accepted into the Obby Builder team, carefully follow all onboarding instructions to ensure a smooth transition into your new role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.